This is a presentation by Cadet Spillane and Vallner of the Retirement Option Decision Tool. First, we will showcase how the tool works. The user first inputs their current grade and years of service to yield their current base pay. Next, they will insert their zip code and grade depending on dependents, to determine their BAH. Then they will determine which incentive pays they qualify for to yield their special pay. The soldier then completes this same process for years 4, 9, 17, and 22, if applicable to them in their military career. They must, however, do this process for their projected year of ETS from the Army. Next, the soldier fills out information regarding their marital status to yield their tax rate. This tax rate is taken into account when determining the value of a soldier's military and civilian career. The soldier also inputs data such as grade and zip code to determine the value of their GI Bill. The net present value of this GI Bill is taken into account along with years of base pay, special pay, and BAH to come together to yield the net present value of a soldier's military career. The soldier then selects how many years of civilian service they will do and what occupation they will be. This yields an annual wage, which is used to find the net present value of their civilian career. Being almost done, the soldier can select up to 5% that they can allot to their TSP of their annual salary to yield what value allotted to their annual salary will be. Using all this information, the soldier will see that the value of their 20-year plan, if it applies to them, and the value of their retirement plan using their savings plan. Here you see the soldier did not reach 20 years of service, so their value of the retirement plan for 20 years is 0. Therefore, the decision tool suggests the retirement option of the TSP, because that is the higher value. The program was primarily designed using VLOOKUP function and if statements, referencing different data tables as seen here, that came from sources from the prompt or sources outside the prompt listed here. The decision tool is verified in that its results make sense. If a soldier is 20 years, the tool most often suggests the 20-year plan, and if not, it will tell them the TSP plan is better. We validated the data by having 2 cadets test it. For improves, they said, make it clear which boxes need to be changed, make it more user-friendly, and make it more concise. 3 sustains were that it works, they like the drop-down menus, and it's well organized. This goes into what our future work needs to be for this decision tool, and that's to make the tool more concise, include a prescriptive directions, and mention to the user to only change the white boxes. Sir, this concludes our presentation.